Sharing apps in Apple Family, the complete guide.
Hello, and welcome to today's video tutorial. Today, we're going to be answering the question, can I share apps with a family member if we have the same Apple ID? It's a common question and one that has an easy answer. Let's jump right into it.
What is app sharing?
Before we dive in, let's quickly define what we mean by app sharing. App sharing refers to the ability for one Apple ID to access and download applications purchased by another Apple ID. This can be incredibly handy for families or close friends, as it allows the cost of applications to be shared.
Can we share apps with the same Apple ID?
To answer the question, yes, you can share apps with a family member if you have the same Apple ID. However, it's important to note that this is not recommended for privacy and security reasons. By sharing an Apple ID, you also share personal data like emails, messages, photos, and more, which you might not want to share.
The better solution, family sharing.
Apple has introduced a feature called family sharing. This allows up to 6 people in your family to share each other's purchases from the App Store, Apple Books, and iTunes Store. This is a more secure way of sharing apps as it keeps each individual's data private. Each person retains their own Apple ID but can still share apps, music, movies, and more. So, in conclusion, while you can share apps with a family member if you use the same Apple ID, it's better to use Apple's family sharing feature. This way, you can maintain your privacy and still benefit from shared purchases. We hope this video has been helpful and answered your question effectively. See you in the next one.